QNT has finally given us a massive breakout to the upside after we managed to break above our key area of resistance above the $100.3 and above our significant high that we made above the $108.8. We have also managed to break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping it back into support, and we have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that you need to pay attention to, and also give you my next breakout target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out Bybit, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up, you can now claim up to $50 in sign up bonuses and earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses, and I will be leaving a link down in the description box. Getting back to the charts, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that from the lows that we made on the 3rd of November, we first peaked to the upside in the formation of these Elliot wave count 1 in a move that gave us a high above the $70.9. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of these wave 2 into the minimum pullback target areas highlighted on the charts, an area that gave us a reaction to the upside, giving us an impulsive Elliot wave count 3 in a move that peaked above the $108.8. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of these Elliot wave count 4, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using these red target area. An area that we didn't quite fully maximize, though we are now seeing a reaction of the upper side of the target area, which is the fib level 0.382, in what I now believe is the start of an impulse to the upside in the formation of these Elliot wave count 5, whose minimum target areas can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 3, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave, for the fifth wave at the fib level 0.618, and that is above the $118.5, an area that we have now fully maximized. And since we have fully maximized that target area, we also need to have in mind that we can get extensions in the formation of these wave 5, and that means there are chances that we can continue pushing higher to our next areas on the Fibonacci's, where we have the fib ratios 1:1 above the $124.7, an area that we can easily maximize in the coming hours. We can also continue pushing higher to the fib level 1.618, which lies above the $134.8. So we need to pay attention to those significant areas. We also need to have in mind that there are high chances that we now have a high in the formation of these wave 5, and we have now completed these 5 wave structure to the upside, and that means that we have now completed the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1, and in the next coming hours we could start a corrective structure in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum pullback target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that higher Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $88.8 and the $80.6. So that is a very significant area that we need to pay attention to in the next coming hours. In case of any sudden pullbacks, losing significant key areas of support, then this is the area to watch out for. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the QNT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out. And I will be keeping you up to date.